How to assemble the breast pump correctly. When the milk bowl is installed with the flange, after aligning the milk pouring outlet, press the edge of the flange to install it. The silicone ring is detachable to assist in the tight connection between the milk collector and the breast pump. It is recommended to replace the accessories in 1-3 months according to the actual situation. In order to maintain a good sealing condition, ensure correct installation. How to choose the right flange. Measure the diameter with a ruler close to the nipple. And select the corresponding flange size according to the measured size. The correct flange size makes you comfortable to wear and helps mothers improve breast pumping efficiency. How to choose underwear suitable for breast pump. It is recommended to wear these 4 underwear styles when using a breast pump: comprehensive coverage, elastic fabric, flip cover, no steel ring, and padding. Make sure that the flange fits the breast when pumping. And the underwear straps are tightened to ensure that the breast pump is stable. When using a breast pump, you need to maintain an upright posture, avoid excessive forward or backward leaning, and avoid milk leakage.